going to do is we're going to start the machine up. We've already gone through that process in other videos, but when I start it up, you won't be able to hear me, but I'm going to show what I'm doing with the joysticks on how I'm moving the bucket, and I'm also moving it backwards, forwards, and then doing a zero turn. So I'm going to shut this door right now. You'll be able to see the ultimate idea of what I'm trying to achieve. You may not see my hands directly on it, but hopefully we get a pretty good video. So I'm going to shut this, do our startup, watch the other videos, and you'll see on how to do that basic startup.